We're looking at migration. While many countries in Europe, including Britain, fear that too many migrants are moving there, there is an argument that allowing more migration would actually be a powerful influence on development.
The majority of the millions of migrants worldwide have been uprooted by conflict and violence. Peace is required before these people will have a chance to return home. Poverty and food insecurity from degraded lands, especially in the dry regions of our planet, make the global migration situation even more difficult and dangerous.
Seen tëli moo leen yóbbu mais pas seen mat bu nu amoon lu ñuy gañe fii loo xam ne mën na leen tey kon duñ dem mais ñàkk lu ñu tey lu wóor tax na ñu bari demoon. bi ñuy dem bato yu toll nii bu ñun duñu wax bato ñun enfin gaal la ñuy wax gaal bu toll nii moo tolloo longueur tolloo largeur.
I think this is the new thing that we have to be very concerned in Jordan. Security and degradation of the lands.
My heart starts to understand. Of course, if people do not find their food in their country, immigrate.
Human civilization is required to address this threat. But what can we do? Would forced migration end if people knew that they could both survive and thrive in their homelands? Perhaps no other nation is as affected by migration as Jordan. Surrounded by violence, this Middle Eastern country has welcomed migrants from both long-standing and contemporary conflicts.
حقيقة اختياريتنا اللي ماتوا قبل 40 سنة 50 لو يطلعوا ما يقولوا هاي مش بلادنا. هاي الأرض سابقا كانت أرض خصبة جدا. كانت أرض خصبة جدا وكانت هاي كلها شجار. يعني أشجار حنقول إنها حرجية.
لأن هنا اللي هنا معيشتني وهنا معيش عيالي. نعم. غيرهن ما في. أنا لا لي راتب ولا لي شيء ولا كشي. إلا من النعجة. لا جاء عيالي أبيع راس منهن وأروح أجيب لهم خبز وأكلوا. الصعوبات والله الصعوبات لو منه يقل علي العلف.
Now in Jordan, traditional land use practices are being revived to show that degradation and desertification are not inevitable outcomes.
في البعد اللي بتعلق في المراعي أيضا الرعي